Hi guys, another rubber band powered car. Yeah, okay. I was trying to tidy some old rubbish out the way. Found a rubber band powered airplane that has seen better days. I actually threw it in the bin. And then I thought, well, before it goes, we'll give it a last chance as a rubber band powered car. So that's the original stick from the airplane. That's the original propeller, although I've turned it around because I want it to push rather than pull. And you want to get the shape the right way around, otherwise it's less effective. The original rubber band is falling apart, so we can't use that. Don't need those wheels, although I might save them. They might be useful for something at some time. A little bit of cardboard to lift it up so the propeller doesn't actually hit the floor as it goes along. The chassis is one that I 3D printed for the cake tin rubber band powered car. So that just sat inside the cake tin and lifted it off the ground. And then we did have rubber band go around the axles, but we don't need that here because we're going to be propelling it with air. So I will set it up and we'll see how it goes. Well, I know it goes actually because I've already tested it, but I didn't film it. So we will set it up, see if we can hit the camera, etc. Oh, bit of vibration there, which set it off at an odd angle. Okay, we either add a bit of weight to counterbalance the vibration, or we just hope for the best next time. I'll try it without weight. I'll just try and point it left a little bit. We're going to have to put some weight under it. It's bouncing up and down too much. A couple of AA batteries on it to add a bit of weight. We're going a bit straighter anyway. Not too bad. Not perfect, but not too bad. I might double the number of rubber bands on it, give it a bit more power. Double the rubber bands. Bouncing around again, but definitely went a lot faster. And we got the full distance. So we'll put the camera down this end and see if we can hit the camera. A quick summary, it works. The propeller is unbalanced. That might just be that it's wobbling around a bit, or it may actually be unbalanced anyway. That makes the back of the car bounce up and down, which means that it loses direction. So that's why I've added some AA batteries and some other bits of weight there just to hold it down so it doesn't bounce up and down so much. I doubled up the rubber bands from what I started with, and we got there in the end. We managed to hit the camera. It took several attempts because it kept going offline, but I got the balance right. It did go reasonably straight, so we were able to hit the camera. So that can now go in the bin because I don't think I'll be using it for anything else. I'll take the wheels off. I'll take the blue tack off because that's always worth keeping. but the rest of it can go. The 3D print I don't need anymore because I've done that. And that the rubber band powered aeroplane was going in the bin anyway, so that can go.